Hi everyone, I'm Margot McKinnon from Body Harmonics. Welcome to Mondays with Margot. Today I've got an all-time favorite that we're going to build up to, the plank. We're going to combine it with a pike, so it's even more work for the upper body and hopefully leaves you really open and feeling good through the neck and right down through the torso. Just before we get started, a quick reminder to subscribe, and now we're ready to start. So come on down on your hands and your knees. You're going to bend your elbows a little bit, and what we're going to start with is a mobility exercise, okay, just to warm up the spine. So round your spine up to the sky like a cat stretch here. Let your head hang down, okay? And from there, you're going to start to circle your ribs around. Okay? So drawing a big circle out to one side, down, over to the other side, and up really tall. Okay, we'll do one more that direction. Okay, and come up to the top and reverse the direction. So circling around here, you may feel a stretch. If you feel any sort of tweaking, pulling that you don't like, make the motion smaller. So we'll do two more this direction. And then come up tall again to that cat stretch. Next, you're going to go down on your forearms. Take some pressure off the wrists and a little bit of a glide backward in space and then forward. So here we're warming up the shoulders. Okay. Again, you're going to decide on how far you go. There might be a bit of stretching across your upper back and down the back of your arms. And for some of you, there may be no sensation at all. Okay, good. Next, you're going to curl your toes under, tighten your middle just a little bit here. Get tall on your arms, really strong on your arms, and pop your knees up. We're going to hold here, count 3, 2, 1, and down. Release your feet, a little glide back in space again, forward, and curl the toes. Tighten your middle, grow tall on the arms, don't forget that, and pop your knees up. Count again, 3, 2, 1, and down. All right, from there, I'm going to bring you up on your hands again. And from here, just do a little side to side through the shoulders. A little bit of a side to side motion. Okay. Then you're going to come back to the middle, down on forearms one more time, and curl your toes. So from here, tightening your middle, tall on your arms, tall and strong, pop your knees up. And then think of someone pulling your tailbone up, 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 till you're in a triangle. Big stretch in your legs now. You're going to reach your heels down and back. And they may not touch the floor, mine aren't right here, but a big stretch through the back of the legs. Lift your heels again, so you go up in a higher triangle and then down to the ground. Come on up on your hands, and we're going to try the same thing now. Keep your elbows a little bit soft so your arms are really working hard. Tightening your middle, then a little pop up with the knees, as if someone were pulling your tailbone way up in a triangle. Start to shift back slightly, not very far here. And then try again, reaching heels down toward the floor. Heels rise again, knees lower to the floor. Now you're going to reach your hands a little bit ahead of you. Keep your toes curled, tightening your middle, and come to a full plank position. Okay, heels are going to press back slightly. Try thinking of reaching through the crown of your head. It's almost like someone's pulling on the crown of your head to make your spine get longer. Okay, from there, bend your knees, lower down. Come down on forearms again and release your toes. Slide your way back or glide your way back and forward. One more time, little glide back, little glide forward. Up on the hands one more time. We're going to put the two motions together. Curl the toes. Tighten your middle just a little. Pop your knees up. You're going to go up to the plank. Okay? Then, or up to the pike. Then you're going to walk your feet back and lower yourself to the plank. So holding there, reach through the crown of your head. You could feel a lot everywhere in your body here, but focus on the upper body and torso. Then, as if someone is tugging your tail, up and back. Lower your knees down. Walk your knees in a little closer to your hands and round your spine up. Walk hands up your thighs to tall kneeling. Okay, from here, let your arms hang at your sides. Shoulders go up, shoulders go down, shoulders go up, and shoulders down. Then take them upward, back a little, down, and forward. Up, back, down, and forward. One more time. And forward. Give your arms a little bit of a shake, wrists a little bit of a circling motion. They can get tired from that planking. Great. Okay, so do remember to subscribe. Thank you so much. Really enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing you next time.